All right, now here we are, me and Todd Raymond back on it. We have found a new location with molten shells, and Raymond's circling it. We are collecting molten shells. Keep looking, Raymond.
Found more.
Raymond's on them. Of course, we forgot our big Ziploc baggie today.
I have a little bag.
We got a little baggie.
Look at that.
Yep.
Jackpot.
All right, folks. Cicadia 2024 tour is still in effect. Listen.
I think I bone dried that tree.
Man, we think this stuff is so cool. Folks at home, Cicadias. Okay, today, Todd and Raymond, we are doing something we've never done yet. We are going down the trail path at Nature Park Preserve, and we are finding cicadas shells everywhere on the trees. But we never came down the path because it's always damp and I'm scared. But people are coming off the path. We are going down a couple 100 yards, and we're experiencing new adventure like we've never experienced. And Raymond's just steadily over there picking them. Show people what you got, Raymond.
Just a minute.
Are there that many?
Oh, yeah. I got a whole bunch more.
Whoa.
Got them.
Man, this is so fun. The buzzing is so crazy. Folks, we're on Cicadia Tour 2024. Thank you very much. I mean, literally, me and Raymond are pioneering the trail. We got somebody coming by. How you doing, Jeremiah Johnson? Hello. All right, Raymond, what we got here?
That's a dead end.
All right, now.
I think it is. Where does that go?
I don't know. What do we got?
Oh, it goes back to that place.
Hold on. Let me get inside. All right, we got
Low
arrows.
Deer Run.
We got paths.
Oh, there's a bench.
There's a bench.
Valley
There's a gate
Trail,
right there. There's a
straight
gate
ahead.
right there.
Lower tier run down that way.
All right, here we go. Right around the corner. He said there's no grass. The guy said there's grass field.
Stay on trail.
Now stay on trail. Like me and Raymond ain't going to. Oh, this trail's a piece of cake. Oh, we got that tree back there, Raymond. Then you got the bench right there.
Yeah, let me look.
We got a bench. Raymond can rest up. Oh, there's the creek.
Oh, the creek, yeah.
We've never made it back here. To the bridge. You got one? We're on the path, Nature Park path, and we're just having a great time. Now, let me tell you something. As an outdoorsman, I am educating Raymond on the ins and outs of the woods, waters, and fields of Illinois. Raymond doesn't have, he's walking around in Crocs, unappropriate for foraging. Crocs ain't great shoes for trumping around in the woods. But me, I can't say nothing. I'm just sitting. But there'll be a day I'm going to have the baddest fucking wheelchair money can buy that I power for myself. And there will be a day. And the adventures will never end. We'll be going to Kyrgyzstan. Because I am Prince Ali Khali. Thank you. I'm going to tell you something. This is about some of the loudest I've heard. Pretty cool, ain't it? Okay, our intel ball has told us that deeper we get into the nature park, there's a little field down here with picnic table. They're everywhere. But listen how loud they are right here. This is really cool. You know what, folks? Everybody should be bringing their kids out here and showing them. But I'll tell you what, we're not finding a lot of live ones flying around buzzing. So we're finding a lot of dead molten shells. But we're looking. We're on the nature park trail instead of at the pavilion and on the sidewalk. We're hardcore in it. Hey TikTok, we're deep inside the woods today on our cicada safari. Listen. And all these people walking the trails, the last thing they thought they'd see is a guy in a wheelchair. Wheelchairs have no boundaries, and dreams are free. Remember that. All right, David, me and Raymond are practicing for Kyrgyzstan. Ibex and Marco Polo. We're up in the woods. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
We're on a cicada safari. David, you think me and Raymond's playing around?
Heck no.
We're getting ready for Kyrgyzstan.
Oh, yeah.
Marco Polo, look at this. We got hills we've been climbing. Look at that. We ain't playing. We're getting our bodies in shape now.
I'm losing that weight.
David, you think me and Raymond's playing around?
Heck no.
We're getting ready for Kyrgyzstan.
Oh, yeah.
Marco Polo, look at this. We got hills we've been climbing. Look at that. We ain't playing. We're getting our bodies in shape now.
I'm losing that weight.
Hey, for those who don't know, up here at the nature park, it ain't just walking the trail. They have a lot of little campfire, acoustical guitar things, nature walk and talks, but they have a lot of activities up here. You know what? Today has been more people up here I've seen than before. So, a beautiful Sunday afternoon, a beautiful day, blessed in the heartland outdoors at the Peoria, at the Nature Park Center. Thank you. Okay, David, this is what it's like being in a wheelchair. You know, getting our exercise. I am Prince Kali Ali, caretaker of Marco Polo and Ibex, and Raymond is my head guide.